You may be asked to do the reverse into a bay exercise immediately, otherwise drive out through the gate to the left. Here, the road to the right has a stop line, so anyone from that direction should stop. Keep to the left on this narrow service road. Slow and even stop to take time to observe to the right in particular, as the view is usually restricted by parked cars. Then, if turning right onto the main road, aim for the lane highlighted in green. If turning left again, aim for the lane highlighted in red. As well as either side, look for vehicles emerging from this junction if we are turning right onto the main road, then, unless the road is empty, get up to speed quick. At the roundabout nearby, stay off the hatch markings, treat it as one lane only. We're in the left lane, so stick to it as we go round. Positioning to the inside lane now would see you go back to the exit you came from. Don't straddle these lane markings. At a stop line, we must stop completely at the line. The consequences of not doing so are severe. Follow the road ahead, unless directed otherwise by the examiner, sat-nav, or traffic signs. Here, we are directed by traffic signs not to go down the no entry even though it's straight ahead. This is testing us to pay attention to road signs and markings. If a bus lane has no times of operation, it is out of bounds for us 24 hours a day. When it ends, move to the normal driving lane, if safe. We should however drive in bus lanes situated on the left, if the time of day is outside of the time stated on the sign. Do not drive in it during the time stated. When following the road ahead, no instructions are necessary. Be sure to look out for any give way signs and markings, and actually be ready to give way. Not just at Crossroads, but mini roundabouts too, the blue sign helps. Check road markings to make sure you are in the correct lane. Sometimes it's the right-hand lane to go ahead. Not just at roundabouts, but any kind of junction. For big roundabouts turning right, use the arrows and road markings to help with positioning. If you realize you are in the wrong lane, and it's too late to change, just go wherever that lane says to go. It doesn't matter if you go the wrong way if it's done safely. Lane discipline is not just for roundabouts, but any junction where there are multiple lanes going in the same direction, for instance, turning right here. We must stick to our lane through the junction, or check the other lane is clear before moving into it. Best reserved until the road straightens out though. Following the road ahead from the left lane on a roundabout requires us to keep to that lane through the roundabout. Don't just be lazy and straight line it like the car ahead. Look out for obstructions that would cause a lane change, and assess whether it's safe to switch. Filter arrows at lights, be prepared to go. Oncoming traffic will be on a red light. Without the filter arrow, be ready to give way to that oncoming traffic now, they'll be on a green light. Look for any road markings to help with where to wait. And any other give-way lines that may be after the lights. The speed limit on the sat-nav may not be correct, due to not updating. Always go by the road signs for the real-time speed limit. Finally, at the end of the test there's around half a chance you'll have to turn right, and then right again back to the test center using this filter lane. Look for the correct moment to move over into it. Keep to the left again on this service road. Careful of any traffic as we head through the gate, and follow the examiner's instructions on where to park. Good luck.